Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Okay, so we have definitely had some action in this cryptocurrency space over the last, let's just say, 24 hours. Prices have been going up, but over the last 24 hours, Bitcoin and basically everything else have taken a good rise in excess of 10%, and more in some cases. Obviously it's the cryptocurrency space, so we don't need to get too excited with 10 or 15 or even 20% moves to the up or the downside, as long as you're understanding of the technology and you're a long-term investor. So this has obviously been a well deserved surprise, since a lot of us have been waiting for a while for a bounce of some kind. Bitcoin has been kind of playing around the 6,000 mark, and XRP's been flirting with trying to touch what we're looking at, 44 cents, 42 cents at its low. And with the rise, strangely enough, obviously when Bitcoin rises, it kind of pumps the rest of the market. The rest of the market kind of goes in the same direction as Bitcoin, since we're kind of tied to it still. There's not a ton of accessible fiat pairings for purchasing your altcoins in a secure and a fast manner. So it's understandable that when Bitcoin makes a move, the market follows, because people are making moves within the altcoins that they own that are also fluctuating based on the fact that Bitcoin is going up, or down for that matter, which we've been seeing a lot of downs lately. But I digress. So here's the scenario that's kind of playing out right now, is that XRP and Bitcoin are at the farthest separation point, it looks like right now, meaning Bitcoin took the rise and XRP moved with it just based on the market move, but the price didn't go any higher or lower up until this last 25-30 minutes. I was watching the charts and we saw just a dive of red come through on Ripple. And Bitcoin started to move. It had gotten all the way up to 7,500, which is a great leap from the mid 6,000 range from where we just were a few days ago. So right now, with the fact that Bitcoin is still up from its rise in the 24-hour or 30-hour move, okay, so you've still got your gain on your Bitcoin if you're just a holder or a hodler of Bitcoin. But if you hold XRP right now, strangely enough, with the fact that Bitcoin is holding its price and XRP has just dive bombed, okay, so dive bombed meaning that they're trading in the 65,000, or if you're looking at Binance, 6,500, minus the fact that you can't see the remaining digits on the Satoshi level if you're still tied in through Bitcoin, unless you were tied in through USDT through Tether, which would obviously it would keep you safe, I guess you could say, through a lot of the ups and the downs. So if you were holding Tether while we saw a big burst, you obviously would be kind of left holding the bag, quote unquote. But sorry, I'm trying to drive here, stay focused. So I think the next question for the XRP hodlers right now is, do we believe that Bitcoin is going to fall off of this recent rise? Do we think that Bitcoin is going to take the rest of the market back down, let's say to the 6,500 level per price of Bitcoin? And then, like we always know is going to happen, the rest of the altcoins are going to go with it, okay? But we're in a strange situation where Bitcoin has separated from XRP a little bit more to the high side at this exact moment, right now as I film this video. That could change at any second. So the question we have to ask ourselves, do we think that XRP is going to continue to go down? Meaning the fact that we're at 2018 lows on the Satoshi level right this second, okay? meaning that our low in March has been surpassed with the fact that we're trading at the 65 instead of the 66, which was where the low was for XRP in March. Sorry, I'm going to change lanes here. Now, if Bitcoin comes tumbling and XRP goes with it, there could be like a double bottom here where XRP started the move down and then Bitcoin activates another level down. So I would suggest to everybody right now, if you don't have the stomach for the moves, meaning if you think for some reason that watching your portfolio go up and down a lot, let's say you hold, $100 or $500, just watching it fluctuate on such large scale, then get out. I'm not a financial advisor as far as being licensed, but I would definitely suggest to get out, because that's what I'm guessing that's what the point of a lot of this is that some of the big money, some of the $30 billion that flew into the market today, and then looks like it might be coming out. And if it comes out, it's going to take out a lot of these shaky knee investors that have kind of been hoping and praying for some kind of bounce up so that they can sell or get some kind of profit or whatever. So this is definitely a very interesting time for the XRP and the cryptocurrency community as a whole. It's seriously an interesting time. So good luck to all of you. And if you guys are more into traditional investing, if you're more invested into your stocks and your bonds and your real estate, then this might be your leap in. This might be your opportunity. So keep your eyes open, watch the charts, watch all the charts. Don't just focus, don't just get so lasered in on the one that you love or the one that you're just like super fanboy of, or fangirl or fan X, whatever. Just be smart, okay? Try to be as educated about this as possible. Try not to be emotional. Don't over-invest your emotion into the situation, which I think at times I might be guilty of. And I think I'm a better preacher or advice giver than I am follower of my own advice. So to anybody who has made it to this point in the video, it might be wise to follow my advice, even though sometimes I don't. Again, I'm not a financial advisor or really should be advising anything. But if you guys did like this video, please subscribe to the channel. We're super new, and we love all the support, within the community, within XRP, and we just are really excited to keep spreading the message. And if you have any questions, or if you have any confrontations that you want to bring up in regards to cryptocurrency space or traditional investing, feel free to leave it in the comment section below. And I hope you guys enjoyed the rest of your day, and it's a prosperous and healthy day. Thank you guys for tuning in. See you later.